Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we will see how to interchange two or more columns or rows in Microsoft Excel. So let us open the software. As I need some data, I'll open a previously saved file, that is this one here, and we have some data. So as you can see here, we have 5 columns in this data. So in the column E, we have number of goals hit, and in the column F, we have number of assists. So just imagine I want to interchange these two columns. Got it? I want to have goals hit in the F column and assist in the E column. So I just need to interchange these two columns, right? So what I have to do is first you have to select the column that you want to move or interchange. So in this case it is going to be the column E that I want to move. So come to the letter E here and click there using the left mouse button. The column gets selected. Now press and hold the shift key from the keyboard, and also by default the cursor is indicated by the thick plus or 3D plus as you see here. But when you come to the corner of the selection or edge of the selection, the cursor changes to four-sided arrow as you see here, right? So when you see that, just click there using the left mouse button. Now start dragging. So in this case I want to move rightward just one step. So I come to the place of column F here. Now let go of the left mouse button and let go of the shift key. So as you can see here, now we have assist in the E column and goals hit in the F column. So this is how you interchange two columns. In the same way you can do it for the rows as well. So just imagine in the third row we have J Vardy, and in the fourth this guy, how do we pronounce him? This guy is from Arsenal as you can see here. So I want to interchange these two rows. Got it? So what you have to do is first select the row that you want to move or interchange. So now press and hold the shift key from the keyboard and come to one of the corners here. So the plus symbol on the cursor changes to four-sided arrow. Now start dragging one step below. Now let go of the left mouse button and the shift key. So can you see that these two rows got interchanged, right? You can do the same thing for the multiple columns and rows as well. But while selecting, instead of one column, select two columns. Got it? Just drag over the letters. The columns or rows get selected and follow the same procedure. Got it right? So if you have any doubt, please comment below. Please subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thank you.